Oh, hi there! Ikea released so many new products this summer. So today we're going to some of the best new Ikea finds for summer 2025. I'm On, this is Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! We're starting right off with the first new Ikea find for this summer, and that is this beautiful table lamp. You know that I'm obsessed with lamps, and this one is made out of opal glass and beautifully crafted brass details that look so high-end and so luxe. I especially love the glass-shaped shade that's mount blown by skilled craftspeople. It looks so nice and so high-end. Another new light from that same collection is this gorgeous pendant lamp. This one looks so elegant and it's perfect to place over a dining table. The mount blown details on the three opal glass shades make it so unique, plus they are connected by beige textile cord, which is such a nice detail. Loving it so much. And when we're talking about lights, I just have to mention one more new Ikea lamp, and that is this battery-operated portable table lamp. And again, a frosted glass shade combined with a brass base that looks so timeless, yet is so easy to place wherever you like, since no cables or connectors are needed. Now, a new Ikea product I was so excited to see this summer is this portable Bluetooth speaker that comes at $49.99. I was in the looks for a speaker for my home and for when we go camping, and I think this one is the perfect choice. This Bluetooth speaker is the perfect combination of interior decor and sound, which I'm all for. It comes in 3 different colors and they all look so good. It's so easy to use and has a clear and powerful sound. Plus the Spotify tap function makes it so easy to play your favorite music or podcast just by clicking on the button. Loving it and can't wait to get it on my next trip to Ikea. Now moving on to furniture pieces, a new sofa Ikea just released is the beautiful SLATORP Sofa. This modern sofa comes in 3 color options and in 3 dimensions: a sofa, a love seat, and a sectional. It's made out of high resilience foam filling combined with polyester fiber wadding that provides a nice support so you can sit very comfortably. What I love most about it is that with a simple grip you can actually extend any of the back cushions and enjoy your sofa with a high backrest that provides good supports for the head. Plus it looks so minimal, timeless, and so modern and goes along with any style. Another furniture piece that's new at Ikea this summer is this cute little side table. This one looks so simple yet will add so much interest to your space. It's made out of metal and solid wood, making it durable and timeless. Plus the tabletop lifts, so under it you can store small things like books. Loving it so much. And when we're talking about tables, you have to see the new VIHALS Gateleg table. This one is perfect for small spaces. It offers good value and a straightforward design that blends easily into any home. You can adjust the leaves to suit your needs and use the smart storage space to store away folding chairs. Easy folding and unfolding mechanism and dual leaves for effortless size adjustment. Such a flexible solution that's ideal for compact living areas. A new dresser collection at Ikea is the RÅDMANSÖ series. This whole series is actually inspired by mid-century design with sleek lines, great functionality, and a warm walnut tone. It comes in a few combinations and sizes, which gives you so many options depending on the space you're working with. This dresser has such careful details like the knobs with a brass look, the deep blue interior of the drawers, and the black metal legs that provide an elevated and airy appearance. Plus, the generous drawers are easy to open and close, making it such a nice piece of furniture to have in your home. The next new Ikea product I have for you is this pine display shelf that comes at $29.99. This one looks so fun and so funky. I really love the combination of solid pine with the green peg backdrop. You can easily move the inner shelves and arrange them as you like, which I love so much. It's perfect for displaying decor, plants, even mugs, or just adding some life to an empty wall. And talking of wall storage, an old Ikea product that they released this summer in a brand new color scheme is the famous Scotty Spec board, which now comes in this two-tone option in beige and pink. I love that this gives you the option to use it on the beige side or the pink side, and we all know which side I'm most excited for. Such a fun product that will give you so many design opportunities. Now moving on to decor, another old Ikea product that was given a new look this summer is this famous set of 3 candle holders, which now comes in light blue and a grey beige color too. Loving these new color options so much and can't wait to see them in stores. Also, this set of 3 unscented candles that looks so aesthetic. This come in yellow and red at $4.99 for a set of 4. A plant pot collection that's new at Ikea this summer is the Cloton plant pot with a saucier. These gorgeous pots come in 3 different colors and sizes and look so cute. I especially love their shape and the color combination. They're the best for all of you plant lovers out there. Now, a new product I was so excited to see at Ikea this summer is this 21-piece picnic set that comes at only $9.99. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I go camping a lot, and I think this is the perfect camping set for me. It has 21 pieces in it and comes in these gorgeous beige shades, and I love it so much. Can't wait to get mine on my next trip to Ikea. And we're finishing off with these cute little towels that come at $4.99 for a pack of 4. These come in 2 different color and pattern combinations, and I especially love these red ones. They look so good. And that wraps it up for today's new Ikea finds. Did you find your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, there are so many new Ikea products that they just couldn't fit in this one video, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell allowing all notifications so you don't miss part 2 coming out next week. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end, and as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Now who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who has been awake? Mars, do you want us to give you a treat?
You want us? That's a cookie, Mars. You're such a weird little boy. You know that? Love you, Mars. See you guys next week.